Hi guys, welcome to my Plasma system. It's the one that I've created with the ISO of 20.05.8 and it's about recording. Everything changes, everything gets updates, so has Plasma received an update all the time, right? So in the system information you can see what version we're on and everything changes, and also this particular option to ensure that I don't have flashes or glitches. We had this option to have tearing, prevention, vsync, none. No longer. So I wanted to create a video and it was filled with all kinds of flashes. I said, okay, but what had been trying out, and that's the point, right? Go in here and figure out what's best on your machine. Which option is the best to record videos. So it's only for people who want to record videos. That's the only reason I'm making this video. It's not because of, using as a user, you don't see any flashes. But if you record it with simple screen recorder, which I use as a tool for all the videos I've made, then you need to set something in here. And I can't set it anymore. I can't set none anymore. Now, the second thing I figured out is in the process of 2021, we've been looking at drivers, at file systems and drivers. That's 2021, what we've done until now. And at this particular ISO, we've added all drivers, mostly, well, lots of drivers. Let's call it like that. Minus, let's remove and see what we can remove. So this is what's on my machine. And what I've done is I've removed the video Intel. Why? I am on a GPU Intel HD Graphics 630. I've removed this particular package, rebooted, and then basically the kernel says, oh look, beautiful, a Intel HD Graphics 630, let's use the kernel. Let's use the driver from the kernel. And that's what I've done. So the settings are like these. So if you still get flashes, play around with these settings. It has to be some setting in here and always apply at the bottom there. But do also think about drivers. See if removing or adding a driver actually improves the recording of your simple screen recorder application, right? So that's the message, how to get a recording going on a Plasma system with the latest version. So system information, this is it, Plasma version 5.21.5, we're at this date, and that's when this occurred, because when the next one comes in, 5.21.6, we might get different options again. And that's life, right? It's change and always adapting to changes. So those are the tools, those are the tips I can give you how to make a video on Plasma without any, well, these flashes and glitches you have when you record. All right, cheers.